Welcome to this assessment report tutorial, which is designed to help assessment writers complete their annual assessment report. As a reminder, assessment is an ongoing process, something faculty do on a regular basis. An assessment report is a means to document what students know and are able to do, evidence of student learning at SEC, providing programs with information on what's working in courses and in the program. The deadline for submitting assessment reports is always August 15th. If the 15th falls on a weekend, the next business day would be the deadline. As you recall, programs have been placed into groups in order to streamline the reporting process. The assessment report that you submit will be for the academic year 2017-2018. Note that the programs in Group 3 will complete an annual report for 2017-18 and the 3-year summary, which is located at the end of the report template. Remember that all programs submit an assessment report every year. You will be entering assessment results from 2017-18 on your report. Please use Internet Explorer as your browser. All of the reports are located in your divisions folder, so you don't need to upload anything. To find your report, first go to the Hub. There, in the upper right-hand corner, under Menu, click on Employee Services. In this section, you will find the link for Assessment. Click on Assessment. Here's the first section of the assessment site. Templates, which include blank forms and information about the revised GELOs. The next section of the assessment site is where you will find your current assessment plans and assessment reports. The tab labeled Team Members /timeline/general information/handbook contains the assessment handbook, helpful hints about writing outcomes, and a general overview of what assessment is. The last section of the assessment site is archived information. These are previous plans and reports that should be used for reference purposes only. To begin the process of completing your assessment report, go to the Plans/Rubrics/Reports tab and find your division. Find your division, click on the word Division. Next, find your program, click on the word Program. Then, locate the assessment report you will be working on. This report will include the dates 2017-18. Click on the title of the report. In the example on the screen, it is AGRI Assessment Report New 2017-18. 2018-19, and 2019-20. This flowchart summarizes the steps you will take. Division Program Report. Again, you are entering data for the 2017-18 academic year. When you open the assessment report, you will need to click on the Edit Document button at the top of the page. This will allow you to enter your data. Then, you will scroll to the Annual Results section. In this example, data will be entered for year 3 of the cycle, which was the 2017-18 academic year. All programs will enter information for each section, including quarters assessed, benchmark, and results/analyst/follow-up/results of changes. In this example, it is clear what the benchmark is. 80% of the students will score an 80% or higher. The results are also easy to follow. 32 students were assessed, 30 completed the assessment at the benchmark or higher, and so on. Please follow this format when entering your information. As a reminder, all students will complete their annual report, and programs in Group 3 will also complete the 3-year summary since 2017-18 was the 3rd year of the assessment cycle. Group 3 includes the programs in Transportation and Welding, Manufacturing, and Business. Finally, when you have entered some or all of your results, click File Save to save your work. It will remain in your Programs folder on the Hub. You do not have to do a Save As. Please feel free to contact Rod Rhodes, Director of Assessment, if you have any questions. Thank you.